Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monlisa Rumbai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. On August 27th, in the Basilica of St. John Bosco in Rome, Samuel Kufumbu, a missionary originally from Congo, made his perpetual profession as a Salesian of Don Bosco in the hands of Stefano Aspetetti, Superior of the Central Italy Circumscription, ICC. On August 25th and 26th, about 30 people who carry out administrative work in the various works of the province of Argentina North, ARN, met in Cabana, province of Cordoba. The main objective of the meeting was to provide formative sessions for the laity to deepen their understanding of the figure of Don Bosco, his collaborators, his social action, and the spirit of family. These moments were animated by Father Alejandro Garzon, Delegate for Youth Ministry, and Father Roberto Camuso, Provincial Bursar. The participation of these two Salesians in the School of Salesianity in Quito allowed them to bring novelties to this space. Locas, Chile, August 2022. On August 27th, Father Carlo Lira, Superior of the Chilean province CIL, presided over the Eucharist, during which Giancarlo Suzate of Ecuador and Vu Duc Duy of Vietnam made their perpetual profession as Salesians of Don Bosco. On Saturday, 27th August 2022, Don Bosco Institute of Communication Arts, DBICA, marked the milestone of the silver jubilee of its existence with a grand celebration at St. Betty's School Auditorium at Santhome, Chennai, in the presence of the General Counsellor for Social Communication, Reverend Father Gildacio Mendes, SDB, who graced the occasion as the chief guest. This historical moment in the Salesian province of Chennai was held in the presence of the provincial team, the past directors, and prominent media personalities, in the presence of a large, vibrant group of youth and adults. Father Ernest Rosario, the present director of DBICA, highlighted the memorable milestones in the journey thus far through a media presentation, and also spotlighted the innovative media initiatives which are geared towards responding to the evolving signs of the times. The new collective identity under the banner of the Don Bosco Mediapolis was introduced on this occasion. This represents the larger picture of media education, engagement, and empowerment of hundreds of youth through the three institutions, namely SIGA, that is Salesian Institute of Graphic Arts, Don Bosco Institute of Communication Arts, DBICA, and Don Bosco Arts and Science College, DBCC, which are located in one campus. The testimony of the Salesians in the country lashed by unusually violent and prolonged monsoon rains, aggravated by garbage spillage that blocks the water and in case of floods facilitates overflow that also caused health-related emergencies. Now the fear is cholera. More than 1,000 have died and millions have been displaced. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.